Hi everyone, welcome to this exciting seminar where we'll dive into the fascinating world of AR called augmented reality and VR called virtual reality. We will explore how these technologies are going to shape our future and evolutionizing our industries. Uh, so, what is AR and VR? Uh, in simple terms, AR's function is AR blends the real and virtual worlds by overlaying digital content into a physical real world and surroundings. Like we can see that in like when buying something from Flipkart or Amazon, we can see its augmented reality product, at how the product will actually look like, and also it is like we are many of us are using filters in Instagram and Snapchat, and these filters that comes in our face of like uh, uh, ring over the head, etc. like that. They are blending into our physical world from the digital world. This type is called AR, and we are like it fully immerses into a completely digital world, like on the Apple, Apple Vision Pro. Uh, we can be completely in a different world with other things that we can do in the. They can see, uh, they see the real world and turn that into another world of digital. Like in real world, there is no such thing, but we can play games there, etc. That VR is mostly seen in VR headsets and not in other things. But AR can be seen in mobile phones, etc. As I mentioned before, uh, in the early development of this AR and VR, uh, which they were introduced in many ages ago, like in 1960s, I think, and his name is Ivan Sutherland, who developed the first VR head-mounted display. And then augmented reality was also developed, and I think it was developed by some aircrafts. And as the technology advanced, today we can buy that VR headset if you have money in that, because it is so much expensive. As an Indian, we don't see here that much, but in foreign countries, it is so many people are buying that, and it's not in its complete use. In the future, maybe will be the main thing, like as we use our smartphones, we can do anything that like say shopping mart, and if we want a shoe, it can uh, generate the correct size shoe, and we can put that shoe in a virtual reality world, so we can know that shoe correctly fits us even before buying it, and that's a good possibility for it. The key difference between AR and VR adds layers of digital elements to the current surroundings, but VR replaces it completely. It's like I mentioned before, and the physical examples maybe I have included physical examples, like the one for augmented reality is that Apple Vision Pro, and VR is for and that's shopping thing. In the as we see in Flipkart and Amazon's, it's common use cases. We can use that in education, training, uh, shopping industry, uh, gaming, and healthcare, and etc. In education and training, we can transform the way of educating. Like we still are in the method of studying from textbook, and now it has changed a little bit to uh, using YouTube and online platforms to study, but it's the same thing. But if we are feeling and enjoying while studies, like it's a thing that comes before our eyes, in front of our eyes, so that it is a very good way to firstly learn that thing. Therefore, we can implement this in education and in healthcare, where is used for exposure therapy, helping people to overcome the phobias by safely confronting them in a controlled virtual setting. And AR is also used in surgeries, like it will have a blueprint of our body or something, and we can do a trial run, if that the surgery actually work, and then if it's success, you can do that in the patient's body, and that's a good thing. And it can be also used by engineers also, where they can build the future project in VR. So you can look the 3D models is very boring. Like if you have to make the 3D models, either you build a outside view, or for inside view you have to develop separate 3D objects. But a single VR can uh, include that, or can uh, we can see the outside, and also we can see the inside of that building. So it has many uses. And in, as I said before, gaming, uh, like today the games are in computers and smartphones, but it can be uh, implemented in VR also. That it requires physical interaction rather than sitting in a chair and playing game. So it's also good for our body too, and we can also play even if no one is with us. There will be online robot bots of the players to play for. So since it's a very good thing for gaming industry, and that's all. And the other uses will be coming in future. That it will open a world of possibilities and the challenges and the future potential. Uh, the main challenge is that developing such a new technology will be very costly. It can be afforded by a normal person. Mm, like smartphones were too too expensive when they first came out. We can only see them in rich people's house. But nowadays, it is very common. It becomes a part of our life. Like from the poor to the rich, we all can have variety of smartphones. So, like the smartphone companies, many companies need to bring the VR and AR in the affordable manner for each category of our society. So it will help everyone, not the poor people. And we can, to sum up, and AR and VR not just futuristic concept. It is now a proven thing that it is possible, and we only have to implement what are the ways that we can use this. So if we are using mobile phones for so many things like that, if you found the other uses of VR and AR, and it will be endless possibilities, then it will change the future. Like a newborn baby, we can stop his crying by giving him AR headset. You can see the cartoons. That's like a fully replacing the smartphones and televisions. It's also a demerits because it uh, decreases the social interaction between the human beings. So everything is for good, but you all have to use in a well-controlled manner. So if children are using, you have to it have to be in a parallel controls. So I think it's a better technology for our humans. And thank you all.